it's Nisha. Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Janmashtami is around the corner, so I thought of doing a video related to that. For people who don't know what Janmashtami is, it's the birthday of Lord Krishna. There's lots of celebration on this day. It takes place during the midnight as Sri Krishna is believed to be born on a dark, stormy and windy night when the rule and violence of his uncle Kans. Like me and my family, we celebrate this festival by fasting, we sing together, we pray together. My mom prepares lots of food, and me, my mom and my dee, we visit to temples nearby and we do so much more. It's really exciting festival. Let me know in the comment section below how you guys celebrate this festival with your friends, with your family. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because it's free. And wish you all a very happy Janmashtami.